Student, I am here demonstrating the practical of rigidity modulus of the suspension wear. Here you notice the variable I am choosing. The material of the string is copper and the medium is air and the amplitude is 25 and the object chosen is here cylinder. Now you notice here is a stop clock. It is showing no time now, and it is a graph of the motion of the pendulum. Now if I press the starting time twice, it will be showing the oscillation. Now the oscillation is going on and it is measuring the time. Now if I stop the time by twice, now again I am showing the time period. You will be clicking on the show time period button. Now it is showing time period 2.781. Here you notice the string is suspended from a point of suspension. The material I have said is the copper, as I have chosen the medium is the air. So there is a variation of medium, variation of material of the string, and you of course note the string length is 0.5 meter, string radius is 0.007 meter, where viscosity of the material air is 0.00018 and time period is 2.781. Now if I again wants to restart it, I am showing no time period. I am changing the medium only. It is now water. So the material is now well within the water, right? Then if I showing the graph, nature is slightly damped because the motion is under viscous drag. Again I start that time period, it is started, then I stopped it suddenly. I need not to see what is the time is because it is automatically fixed. If I press the show time period, automatically the time period showing 2.783. So actually time period is calculated, I have already told. Time period is the time taken for completion of oscillation. Generally for simple pendulum it is 2 seconds, but it is a different type of pendulum. It is not simple harmonic motion. It is angular oscillation or torsional oscillation. See the motion within the solution, and the rigidity modulus can be determined accordingly by following equation that I will be showing you later on. First I will show you the simulation part. Now I am showing again another material. Say I am choosing nylon, and again I am going back to air. Now you notice I am not using the show time period of it. The graph is on and time stop watch is on, and it is this type of motion air along the y, the amplitude along the x-axis time period is showing that this is the free oscillation because I have chosen medium is air and the suspension one is a nylon, and again the viscosity of air 0.0018, and the string radius is same and the string length is same, because unless I change the length and the radius it will be fixed or constant. Now I am doing a small change here. You notice before doing that I am showing when I have chosen nylon as a string and air again and cylinder material is chosen, I am showing the time period. How can I show the time period? I can start the operation, double clicking always. Started the time oscillation, and notice this is the oscillation is continuously going. Unlike physical practicals, you can start and stop it by touching it, but here it is not possible. I am clicking it on the start and stop button, it is stopping the motion. Then I am clicking the show time period, It is showing what? Time period is 9.214. So time period obviously increase. This way I change the material air to water. Again I am showing off the time period. Again restart the practical. I am waiting for some time, then stop the operation. Yes, then I am coming to the show time period. Again it is showing the time period is reduced because it is working within water. Look over here. Here the moment of inertia is 0.007. When I was using olive oil and again show time period is off, start button is pressed, time started, it is now immersed in the olive oil and different motion of the graph is showing, right? Now I am stopping this process and now I am showing the time period. So you observed another time period is same. So different material having different viscosity, accordingly the time period will be changed. So it is your main objective selecting the string, selecting the medium, selecting the object, using a definite mass, using the definite length, and then you perform your practical. And you note here I am using the cylinder. Again back to the previous case, copper, back to air, and back to another new material, say disc. Again you see time is 0, I am starting the time. After I place the time, but it is show time period must be off, then start time, it will be operating. So it is oscillating. Now when it is oscillating, the disc is twisting in either direction, very clearly and recognizable, and time is changing. Again I stop this process and again I am showing the time period. You notice that time period is changing. Okay, and even remember I am using the medium is air. Now I am changing it water. See, the viscosity value is now 0.001, but the string length and radius is fixed. Now time period is showing the previous case I am showing off. Now again I am starting this. The material is well within the disc, oscillating from a suspended position, and within is material it is water, and I am stopping the time and observe the time period. Now it is coming 2.413 different. Again I am showing off the time period and changing the material as olive oil. Now you notice the viscosity is now 0.084. When you change the lighter to the heavier material, viscosity is changing, but the length of the string and the radius of the string is always same, but the material shape is changing. Now it is a disc. Again I am starting it. Now it is starting a new oscillation. Notice the wave pattern is also changing. And always remember that graph is drawn amplitude versus time, amplitude on the y coordinate, time on the x coordinate. Again I am stopping this process. Now I notice by clicking the show time period, it is showing time period. So you have observed on different strings using different material and using different shape, keeping the material in the open air, keeping the material in different liquids, you can find the time periods. So this time period can be referred as T0, T1, T2. Then obviously you have to know that what you are doing, you are determining the rigidity modulus. Now I will be going back to the theory portion for understanding. Okay. Now what was our aim of our job? Our aim was job to understand the torsional oscillations of pendulum in different liquid and determine the rigidity modulus of the suspension wire using torsion pendulum. Okay. The apparatus I have used here the given torsional pendulum. I have already told you different material are available, two identical cylindrical masses, stopwatch, meter scale, etc. And what is the theory behind the work? A body suspended by a shaded or wire which twisted first in one direction and then in the reverse direction in the horizontal plane is called a torsional pendulum. The first torsional pendulum was developed by Robert Leslie in 1793. Now, as I already mentioned, time period equation 2 pi root I by c. Now, whenever the time period equation is calculated, you have to use different type of time period. Now, you notice here the value of the time period can be calculated on putting the mass without putting the mass on the cradle. Now, here C stands for the couple per unit twist, R is the radius of the cylinder, M is the mass, L is the length, and eta is the final equation. It is 8 pi Li R to the 4 by R to the square. Now, for above formula, directly if we can calculate the moment of inertia of the disc I is half m r square, and now the I0 is the moment of inertia of the disc along I1 and I2 be the moment of inertia of the disc with identical masses of distance d1 and d2 respectively. If I1 is the moment of inertia of each identical mass about the vertical axis passing through its center of gravity, then this following equation will be observed. You should carefully observe the theory. It is very simple, but you have to very watchful on your simulation part. If you just transfer one equation to another, then squaring time period and multiplying them and subtracting them, this equation t2 square t1 square will be coming. Okay. Now converting one to another, ultimately your final equation L0 is obtained. It is the length at 0 degree 0. Now finally you get the final equation N is the rigidity modulus. It is 16 eta m within bracket d2 square minus d1 square divided by r to the power 4 into 1 by t2 square by t1 square. Definitely t2 and t1 represent the two different time period of oscillations, and t2 and t1 they are two different distance. M is the mass and pi is a constant and r is the radius of the wire. Now you have to know what are the application of the torsional pendulum. Yes, torsional pendulum comes from the term torsion of a cylinder. It is twisting in either directions, and shortly torsion clocks or pendulum clocks is based on the torsional oscillation. The freely decaying oscillation to torsion pendulum in medium like polymers help to determine their characteristic properties. New research are promising the determination of frictional forces between solid surface and flowing liquid environment using forces. Now I am coming back again to the simulating part. Here you notice that it is stopped. Now whenever you will be starting the phenomena, you have to choose any material, you have to choose any medium and amplitude and object, mass, length, everything. Then after showing the graph will be appear. Now it will not be appear because it is already completed, and then putting the time period, time will be coming. Thank you for your patient watching, and I hope you have understood the theme. But before ending, I should say rigidity modulus, again I am telling, rigidity modulus is the ratio of stress by strain. Here stress is called shear stress and strain is shear strain. So the stress and strain are of different kind. It is elastic modulus, properties of elastic modulus. Now you know there are other rigidity modulus like Young modulus, where stress by strain is longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain. Okay, so you are doing rigidity modulus here by dynamical method. It can be done by statical one also, and that method is also discussed in the later on session. Thank you for your patient hearing.